Imagine spending hours perfecting your firewall setup only to lose it in a blink. Painful, right? Regular backups save you from such nightmares. They ensure quick recovery from system failures and misconfigurations. Knowing the different backup types helps you safeguard your settings properly. And trust me, following best practices is not optional. It's your safety net. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Firewalls are like the bouncers of your network, keeping the bad guys out. But if misconfigured, they might let trouble slip through. That's why backups are crucial. They help retain your meticulously crafted security settings. Regular backups mean you can sleep soundly, knowing your network won't suddenly turn into the Wild West. Skipping backups is like driving without a seatbelt. Risky and regrettable. Losing configurations can be disastrous, leading to downtime and security vulnerabilities. With regular backups, you avoid the headache of manually restoring settings. And trust me, prevention is always better than a frantic last-minute fix. Think of your running configuration as a live performance. It's what's happening now. The candidate configuration is the draft, changes waiting in the wings. You need backups of the running configuration to maintain stability, and always double-check that draft before it goes live. No one wants unexpected surprises. Ever wished you had an undo button in life? Well, with configuration reversion, you do, at least for your system. First, double-check your last saved state. You don't want to revert back to a bad setup. Locate the correct restore point and proceed cautiously. Think of it like stepping back in time, but without the awkward teenage years. Finally, always verify that everything is running smoothly, so your system doesn't throw a tantrum. Backups are like insurance. You hope you never need them, but when disaster strikes, they're a lifesaver. Start by locating the backup file, like a treasure hunter on a mission. Use the right restoration tool. Think of it as your magic wand for system recovery. Test everything post-restoration. You wouldn't want surprises later. And of course, update your documentation so future you, or your unlucky colleague, has a clear roadmap. Named snapshots are like bookmarks. You can jump back to a great setup anytime. Pick the right snapshot. Accidentally choosing an outdated one would be like time traveling to a buggy past. Execute the import command carefully. Precision is key. Check compatibility before proceeding, or you may have an unexpected system feud on your hands. And finally, validate performance to ensure your system is as happy as a well-fed cat. Loading past configuration versions is like flipping through an old photo album. You want to pick the best moments, securely access past versions, and compare changes to decide which suits your needs best. Apply the chosen version carefully. This isn't a random leap of faith. Lastly, confirm stability to avoid unexpected breakdowns, because no one likes a system meltdown. Backups are your safety net, so treat them with respect. Stick to a structured schedule. Don't rely on last-minute panic backups. Store them in multiple locations, because putting all your eggs in one basket is never wise. Encrypt sensitive data for security. No one likes unpleasant surprises. And most importantly, test restorations now and then, because a broken backup is like a parachute that won't open. Why do backups manually when automation can do it for you? Pick a reliable automation tool, just like you'd choose a trustworthy babysitter. Schedule regular backups so you can sleep soundly. Monitor for errors, because even automated processes need a watchful eye. And tweak settings when needed. Fine-tuning makes all the difference between effortless safety and chaotic panic. Troubleshooting backups is like fixing a leaky faucet. Find the root cause first. Check logs to decode cryptic error messages. Think of them as your system whispering its complaints. If one method fails, try another. just like rebooting your Wi-Fi when things go south. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to call in the experts. Better safe than sorry. Backups aren't optional. They're your digital guardian angels. Always keep an up-to-date backup plan to avoid last-minute chaos. Run restore drills now and then, because theory is nothing without practice. Automate where possible. Let technology do the heavy lifting. And lastly, stay prepared for failures, because if history has taught us anything, it's that technology loves surprises. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.